Oh, go ahead. Thank you, guys.
That was too close.
Right there putting it. And I said, how much is that? He's like, take a picture.
Yes? Will you show us how I walk? Go ahead. Go ahead.
Everybody's watching.
I can see your whole body. Go. She's shy. I'm shy.
I'm shy.
Is that your YouTube or is that
My YouTube. My YouTube's.
Why are these lights on?
He's dark.
Freddie, you impersonate me impersonating Josh.
Yeah, go ahead. Let's see it.
I didn't even realize you did it.
Just show us. Okay, supposedly this is how I walk. So Jackie, just show it.
Oh no, that's not right. That's not. Oh no.
Show us. Okay, this is how I walk. Supposedly. Supposedly. Good. All right.
Where do you walk like Eric Demura?
No, your arms open. That's you when you walk.
Wait, how does Freddie walk?
Freddie walks with his hands
She
open.
just said it. No, that's you.
Freddie, you walk with your hands open because he walks with this.
Show us how Freddie walks.
Why do I waddle? I'm a pregnant lady walk.
Put your hands up.
Yeah.
All right.
Like
So, hey, let's see how you walk.
Me?
Yeah, go ahead.
She's gonna do her catwalk now.
No, I walk
Okay, good, do Lisa.
I don't want to make her feel bad.
Come on, let's see it.
I already know it.
Let's see it.
I walk with you.
Come on, let's see it.
She walks like the kids. Kids walk like it.
You know, it's funny. Laker walks like that.
She does.
You know. It's funny too because I watch. I know that I do it, and I'll catch myself and I'll like try to turn my feet in, but it's hard. I'm trying to turn my feet in.